Hi guys. In this session, we'll see how to combine data from multiple cells into one cell. Mostly, it is required when you have a set of data about people or cities or these kind of data, and you want to create profile from different cells. For example, um, I'm into email marketing. So very often I get data like this. First name, second name, phone number, email address, city, country. Now suppose I want to create uh, one cell for from the whole set of data in one row to create a profile of the person. So I'll show you how to do that. Say I make a heading profile. Now here I write equal to, select the first name and then this and sign and the second name. See, it has created Jeff Nelson. It has combined into one. It has combined two cells into one and given this name, but there is a problem. There is no space between Jeff and Nelson. So we'll do it. We'll work it out again. How about I put one more and sign and then create double quotes, space, double quotes, space. And if I do that, it has corrected. Now it is Jeff Nelson. Now in the profile, suppose I want to include the email address also. So what I do here is I put one more and sign and select the email column. Now if I see, yeah, but there is no space or delimiter between name and the email address. So again, we'll have to correct it. So how about we create one more and sign, double quotes, and give colon this time, again double quotes, and after that I give again one double quotes. No, sorry. After the and sign, I give again double quotes, space, double quotes. I think I made a mistake. What I was doing earlier was correct. So I give one more and sign, double quotes, space, double quotes. Now I see it has given Jeff Nelson colon space followed by his email address. So this has become his profile. So here what we have done is we have combined first name, second name and the email address into one cell to create that profile. And if we want to copy this to all the cells for all the rows, we just bring our cursor here, let it turn into black plus sign, click it, drag it, see. So from each of the row, it has taken out first name space second name colon space followed by email address. So if you want to beautify it, you can think the way I was adding colon, space, you can think of more things. And yeah, this is how it is done. Pretty straightforward. Hope you have understood it. And I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.